Do-it-yourself Del here. 3 things you didn't know about harmonicas. Number 1, it's easy to play a riff, and I'll show you the first one from Neil Young's Heart of Gold. Number 2, the full scale is only available in the middle register. And that you got here the lower register, the middle, and the upper. So here we go. And number 3, these diatonic harps come in different keys. This one's a G, and they are normally stamped. I label mine so I'm able to see them easier when I play in darker places and clubs and stuff. But down here, I don't know if you can see that, that's stamped C. And I got a couple of other ones that are fairly popular. Here's an E, and here is a D. So, do-it-yourself Del with the 3 things you probably didn't know about harmonicas.